Do you know if your tax code is right? If you're employed or receive your income via a pension, you might be familiar with something that's referred to as a tax code. It's often a mixture of digits and character references, and this determines the rate of tax that you pay at source on those forms of income. It's really important as you go in towards the end of the year that you check to see whether that's anything other than standard. So for the current tax year that we're in, 24-25 tax year, the standard code is 1257L. So if you're seeing anything other than that, it's likely that something else is included in your code. It may be because you've got more than one source of income, so more than one employment, or as I say, employment from income and pensions. It could also be though that it picks up information from previous years. So if you've claimed for relief, such as things like mileage, subscriptions, or pension relief, then they could be still included in your code in the current year. Whilst that might be right, often you'll find is that some of those figures change year on year because if you've travelled less for work, you've contributed more or less into your pension, which may mean that the tax that you're paying at source is incorrect. I'd always advise that you have a look at these codes ahead of the tax year finishing, just so that you can make sure that they're correct. There's still time to change them, still time to get them updated so you're paying the right tax as you go along, rather than either being surprised by a big bill that comes once you do your tax return, or the surprise that you might get a tax rebate. But in our opinion, that money's always better with you along the way rather than waiting for it to come at the end of the year. So top tip, check your tax codes on your employment and your pension income.